Hi everyone, welcome back to In the Outdoors. Today, this is the second video for working in the grotto restoration. I think I'm saying it wrong. It's restoration. Restoring, I call it restoration. I don't know why. But, so it's getting really deep here. As you see, waterfalls are getting a lot more intense and stuff. There's a whole bunch of sand here my dad threw up here. And yeah, pretty cool, right? And so basically, the next video and the video after that are probably going to be focusing on the grotto, and then the videos after that, all the other restoration videos after the next two, will be focusing on other fishing spots. But yeah, so that's what we'll be doing today. Got my GoPro here, just chilling. It's about to do a time lapse on this, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I might work on this for a few days, so this video might take place over a few days. Every time we work on it, might combine into one video, being this video. So yeah, I'll work on this. Probably not. It's getting pretty deep, almost like, I'd say about 9 inches there. It'd be a foot almost. That part right there. Here is not that much deep. But it's still, it's just pretty deep. And yeah.
Oh, can you please bring me down here? Can I please swim in here? Please, please, and please.
No, maybe some other day, maybe today. No. But anyway, guys, now that you know what I'm doing today, let's get into the video. So make sure you do these things and subscribe if you want to help me restore this place, or just make it better for fish. And let's get into today's video. Intro.
Make sure you hit that subscribe little dons button.
Alright, as you guys can see, my dad's coming down here, and we got a massive mound of sand. He's about to rake this out flat. And then after that, we're gonna, he's gonna work on directing that water in here by putting more boulders here to catch some of the rapids from that water where the main channel is, and bring it in here, flush it out a little more, and I'm gonna make it deeper, and I am gonna make work on making this deeper, and maybe work on other smaller things. But that's the plan. Let's go. All right, guys. I just raked all this stuff out, as you can see here. This whole area. My dad pulled like a whole bunch of those leaves and the ivy in this area. We just added some big logs there, and let's continue working. I think I'm gonna make this deeper. Might do something else, but yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, I think the water has dropped a while. Well, a couple days ago, it's been dropping. But we've been working on this. I just dug a whole bunch of this out. Made it 5% deeper, 10% deeper, which is, if you think about it, a lot. But there's a goat crystal. Oh, it just died. That one did, I think. I'm just doing a time lapse. But yeah, we got all these rocks put up here. We put like some there, some whole bunch here. I threw some over there so I could bring over here and put them down here. And I threw a lot of sand from here up there and some of the rocks there. And it's doing pretty good. And at first, I raked out all this.
Bruh.
All right, guys, sorry, but yeah, I just finished. Guys, I just finished, dude. Sorry. My GoPro hat. I'm not backwards. I'm backwards it. But anyway, guys, so we just finished. I know it's super dark out, as you can see. Here's the grotto. There's like the waterfalls right up there. You can see my finger. And there's like a big gulf here. My camera cannot pick up any of this, like which I could kind of see. All this whole area, picnic stuff, or not. There's just down chair there, and yeah, you can see in there a little bit. As you can see now, I did a little bit of. I finished that, and I just started that. And so from way downriver, way over there, I tried to bring that thing up there, that big monster, and it's too difficult. So. I maybe do that in another day. Maybe tomorrow I might work on this, but that'll do it for today's video. This took about 2 days. A little bit of like Thursday and a lot of today. And we made it actually very good. We changed it a lot. But anyway, that'll do it for today's video. And the next one will show you how it's doing. And the next one will be probably pretty soon. So hopefully you enjoyed. And if you want to help me, click that subscribe button. And feel free to comment what you want. And suggest things we should build in there. And the grotto over there, what we call the grotto. This nice spot, can't really see it. But yes, it is gonna be used as a fishing spot. Fish may come in here. There's this channel right there is where my, like right below that log, right below that tree, fallen tree. My dad, right past that, my dad like got a hold of the rocks out, gave some to me. Threw some on like some rock piles, and so fish may come in easier. So yeah. Anyway, that'll do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and see ya. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you.